Hi, it's Miggy Make It Go here. I'm going to do a really quick review on these water wipes. So these are the world's purest facial wipes for sensitive skin. So this little packet just has two in it. It says, "We believe in the power of water. Our water-enriched wipes effectively remove makeup and mascara, leaving your skin clean, hydrated, and glowing." No fragrance, no alcohol, no sting. So as you can see, I've got quite a bit of makeup on. Let's get into it. I'll start and have a look and see what we've got. So the two wipes are folded together, which is a bit of a pain because it means I'm going to have to use both of them. But I probably would anyway. They're quite thick and they smell quite, like, they don't have a strong fragrance, but a little bit, oh, it's so hard to put my finger on. Almost like nothing, but a little bit like something. I know that doesn't make any sense. So as you can see, I've done a few wipes. This is what it's looking like so far. And you can see some of my makeup is coming off. It's not stinging my skin at all at the moment. It's definitely taking a lot off. But it's not, the corners are very wet. I'm gonna try out here. I feel like I don't really have that much makeup on, but it is taking off a lot, but it doesn't seem to be entirely coming off my face. But they do seem very, very gentle on the skin. Normally I don't have really sensitive skin, but I do have some sort of like tingling sometimes when I use face wipes. Yeah. Something else I've noticed as well, one side is a little bit like textured and the other side is just smooth. So I suppose maybe a little bit of exfoliant action going on. I'm going to use the other one now. So that's the wipe. So it is taking off my makeup quite well, and yeah, as I said, I am really impressed that it's not stinging in any way. Yeah, I think overall, I think I would recommend these. They're probably the most gentlest face wipes I've used. Just make sure that my pimples aren't bleeding. Sometimes when I take my makeup off, even though I do try and be gentle, sometimes I do accidentally like just tear the skin off. But it doesn't seem to have done that at the moment. I feel like you probably could get away with, if you had heavy makeup on, I think you would need two wipes. If you've just got lightweight makeup on like I had today, probably just one wipe would be enough. So I think that's everything. Everything all off my face. I am pretty impressed with those. Mostly, I guess I do like putting stuff on my face that smells nice, but oh, now my skin is tingling a little bit, just around my eyes. But I did probably rub a little bit harder than I should have. Apart from that, my skin does feel quite soft. I feel like I'm used to makeup wipes treating your skin, but it's probably not really what you want. I feel like, to be honest, I feel like I would definitely recommend these and then put a moisturizer on over the top. I had a moisturizer here. Dermavine. So I think I might put some intensive moisturizer on over the top. But yeah, so it's a big up for the WaterWipes, the world's purest facial wipes.